Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Yeah, a few people asked about a VeChain update, and yeah, there isn't much more to update, I have to say. We haven't really had any change. Nothing broke, really. Yeah, and we're still in this descending wedge that we've been tracking. So it's still caught in this or below this descending trend line. The problem I have with this chart, obviously we've got basically two wave counts, one still pointing towards new bear market lows, absolutely still possible without seeing a first impulse to the upside that is large enough to indicate anything different. I have to assume this is absolutely realistic. I'm fairly neutral about it at the moment. What I don't like anymore is the look of this decline. Yeah. It is possible that this is a 5-wave move, but then I would probably say that with the latest spike, this would be okay. I could still count that as a 5-wave move to the downside in a C wave after wave 1 peaked here. We had an A wave down, B wave up, and a C wave down. Two problems. First problem, it broke the 78.6 retracement level twice. Now let me just double check. Yeah, even on the log chart, it broke it. So for me, this shows weakness, and it gives me less confidence that it's holding. But it's holding, and nothing broke. So this yellow setup, the bullish setup, the 1-2 setup, is basically still valid, and we could get from here a third wave rally. Yeah, this is one of the coins that still allow for this. However, the wave 1, that's the second problem. It was only a leading diagonal, not an impulse. So I cannot say with high likelihood that this is a wave 1 to the upside and that this is a wave 2 to the downside. It's basically a little unclear, okay? Bear in mind, we're dealing with altcoins here. Sometimes you see distortions on various time frames, but I think in the last video, we were still waiting here for another low after a wave 4. That basically happened, and it didn't get a sustained break below the 78.6 retracement, so it still has a chance. But then I would really like to avoid another break below the last swing low. So as long as that's holding, yeah, a third wave rally could work out. Yeah, but it's just too early for me to confirm that with high likelihood. But the relevant levels are clear. Targeting, I mean, if the third wave rally starts, it would be targeting around about 2.7 cents next. Bear in mind, that's pretty much where we had the previous significant swing high in April. One more low below the Tuesday low, which was made here at 1.46 cents, would, however, for me, emphasize the blue wave count here with one more low, possibly then touching the trend line of the descending wedge. I do need to change the colors actually here. That is a bit confusing, I think. But overall, the idea is in the more bearish interpretation that actually a wave 4 finished here. I can also put the wave 4 here and then see all of this as an ending diagonal, which would basically probably be the better bearish. Let's just do that here. I think that would be the better bearish wave count. So that off this swing high in a wave 4, because originally I had a triangle here on the chart, which is still valid, yeah. But then we would really need to see that 1-2 setup. From a bearish point of view, the wave 4 sits here. It wasn't a triangle, it was a 1. The wave 2 was this swing high that was made in April. Then a third wave down, here a fourth wave, yeah, and one more low in a fifth wave. That adds up nicely. And then if the wave 4 was sort of an orange here, the bearish count, then I will highlight this microstructure now also in orange. And this would be an ending diagonal. And yeah, one more low is certainly something that can still happen here, especially as long as the price is within this descending wedge. Now, a first break out of the trend line to the upside, and it hasn't happened yet, would most likely send it first, or at least it has a chance to get to that 2.1 cent level first, which is structural resistance. So, but there is a lot of work to do for it. I mean, here we just need to be a bit patient. I can make a case for a potential 5-wave move to the upside, yeah, on the smallest time frames. Yeah, we have a potential 5-wave move. So, but this is looking at the microstructure. I mean, what can I say? It all depends on if that low is holding, the third wave rally can go. That's basically the condition that I can highlight here. This is a potential 5-wave move to the upside that started on the 11th of September and the 13th of September. So yeah, but the chart, the wave count is on the chart. So as long as this low is holding, the third wave rally can take us higher to the targets indicated. But one more low here would potentially just create another marginally lower low, and it get to that trend line here. I mean, okay, marginally lower low, or we talk here about another 20% drop probably, which is, however, nothing unusual in the crypto market. As best I can tell now, I mean, we need a little bit more structure here to confirm that something really more bullish is going on. So I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.